What do you say? Esta es la parte de
Es
qué?
la parte de la película de terror en el dice, pero ¿por qué se meten por ahí? ¿Por qué?
You heard that, folks. It's true. Wake up.
I woke up.
Yeah, all right. We're getting close to the city, right? You okay? You have a good nap, right? All right. We gotta keep going, right? Yep. Yeah. What, you're gonna be here?
No!
Exactly. We gotta go, right?
Yes, I know
Okay.
it, I know it!
All right, but calm down. Why you get it like this? Dude, I don't know, maybe some kilometers. The thing is, like, we gotta ride 33 kilometers according to this GPS. But no matter what, there's no turning back. And I know the universe and God will provide protection and good luck, you know, to reach and be a successful adventurer and another good charter for all of you. All right, folks? Right, let's go, let's continue. Look at that flower, Noah, look. Beautiful. All right, we made a stop here. Someone here is a little bit sleepy. Is that right, Noah?
Yeah.
You've been tired, right? You tired? You pedaling here with Daddy or what?
Yeah.
Noah said that he's pedaling. Well, you know the truth. I got it pedaling and pushing it. But it doesn't matter. I will take you with me no matter what, okay? All right, let's go, mama. What's up, folks? Oi, personal, como tá todo mundo? Boa noite, bom dia, boa tarde. What's up, people? It's good to see you. You know, everyone here. Welcome to Adventures of Enrique Morris YouTube channel. A new charter here. Here we are, Noah. Mama's right there in the back.
He's right there too.
Yeah.
About we can know.
As you've been seeing, you know, on that intro, you know what, we're passing through, you know, to get here into the city of Limeira, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Guys, we are about to discover one little waterfall, but the most curious about this is like it's located inside of the city of Limeira. All right, folks, we are about to discover that and review and film it and shoot it as much beautiful possible for all of you folks. We're still riding in our way to be there, so let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see how it's gonna look. All right, stay tuned, don't go away. What do you say? Esta es la parte de
Es
qué?
la parte de la película de terror en el dice, pero ¿por qué se meten por ahí? ¿Por qué?
You heard that, folks. It's true. Sometimes in the movie you say, you know, you're watching the movie, those beautiful girls of this family enter into this forest so dark, you know, how horrible is you say to yourself, you know, watching the TV like, oh my God, what these people getting inside there? They are crazy. What? They're gonna get some trouble. They're gonna get killed. Well, this is us right now in this. Anyhow, I'm gonna stop here, guys, just to let you know, that the translation for this is just to throw garbage in the natural environment, you know, and some positive stuff, you know, to take care of the natural environment. Apparently, we are some meters away from the waterfall, right, Noah?
Yeah.
But apparently, the people throwing things here, right? So, please, guys, if you come here, let's try to keep up this more clean than it is, you know, more safer. So, let's keep going. Let's see what is ahead of us. Go ahead. Yeah, let's go. Preserve a nascente, which is mean in English is what, Paula? Preserve the source of the river of this the creek. All right, guys. So all you guys, you know, who speak English o en español, preservar la naciente o del la naciente del riachuelo. Okay, muchachos, mi gente, please. I know, no, all of you will come here and check out this place, but I'm telling you, this is just advice for everyone at any place around the world. All right. Now we gotta walk here carefully. Noah, be careful. You have some hole here. The entrance is very easy. Let me go in front, Noah. We don't know the place. Noah, can I go in front? Great. Okay, we don't know the place. It's first time. It looks really nice. You know. So let's find out. Wow. This thing is really covered in sun, bunch of trees here. You know, so apparently, whoa, look at the bird, Noah. Did you see the bird? Let's reach quietly. You saw that, guys? All right.
Look.
Yeah, okay, we gotta go careful here. There's some stairs. Wait, Noah. Wait for me.
Look at the waterfall.
Yeah, say, dude, wait for me. I try to do my best as usual, want to bring all together in one single video for all of you. Try to make it a cinematic, you know, for you, and whatever I could find and shoot and capture with the eyes of the camera and drone for all of you here, guys. And if you know why they call it like that, just give me a comment below if you're living here around in Limeira or not. You know, let me know what do you think about this video and the images I tried to make for you. It was a long adventure, trust me, guys. And as you saw, we got a flat tire. It wasn't easy to come here. When I say it wasn't easy, because we got so much twice flat tire, even though if I didn't recall that. I want to say thank you to Jose, right? Jose, Felipe. Those two folks gave it to me, this location of this awesome place. I really appreciate it, folks. So folks, if you are new, subscribe to my channel. If you are already here, stay tuned, because there's so much adventure and new things and images for all of you folks, right?